भाई मेरा ना बहुत दिनों से गो कार्टिंग जाने का मन कर रहा है, लेकिन हमारी जो प्रिय महिला मित्र हैं शेफाली जी, इन्हें गो कार्टिंग पसंद ही नहीं। सुनने में आया कि जब ये स्कूल में थी एक बार गो कार्टिंग गई एंड इससे स्टीयरिंग व्हील हिलाने को नहीं हुआ, तो तब से इसने डिसाइड कर लिया कि ज़िंदगी में कभी गो कार्टिंग करेगी ही नहीं। मैं सालों से बोल रहा हूँ चल मेरे साथ गो कार्टिंग मैं सिखाऊंगा, चल मेरे साथ, बट नो, शी इज़ नेवर कम विथ मी। सो आज ना मैं एक प्लान बना के जा रहा हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले अ गेम विथ हर। वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले रॉक पेपर सिजर्स एंड जो भी जीतेगा वो डिसाइड करेगा कि उसे क्या करना है। ऑफकोर्स दिस अ रिस्क विद दिस, बाई चांस अगर वो जीत गए तो उसके मन का करना पड़ेगा, बट अगर मैं जीता तब तो भाई गो कार्टिंग पक्का है। बट लेट्स एक्सेप्ट इट, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी ईजी। मैडम को मनाना इतना आसान नहीं है। सो पहले शेफाली को इम्प्रेस करना पड़ेगा, और भाई डबल इम्प्रेस करने के लिए मैं शेफाली को ऑफिस से पिकअप करने जा रहा हूँ। आई हैव नेवर डन दिस, आई हैव नेवर गॉन टू हर ऑफिस टू पिक हर अप। So let's go get her some flowers and surprise her. So I've come to Indiranagar right now to pick up some flowers, and then we shall go to Shefali's office. I hope this florist has her favorite flowers, which are white carnations. But if not, we'll just pick up any flower which is white in color. Also, Bobbies, check this. Not only am I wearing a pink shirt, but also pink shoes. These are pink Air Force Ones. ये शूज़ मैंने 2022 में लिए थे, एंड तब से लेके अब तक सिर्फ 2 ही बार पहना हूँ। टुडे इज द थर्ड टाइम। सर ये दो वाइट कार्नेशन सिगता। मैंने ये छोटा सा बुके बनवाया है। They did not have carnations, so I got white chrysanthemum and this lily. अगर इतना सब करने के बाद भी मैडम इम्प्रेस नहीं होती है तो भाई मैं तो अकेले चला जाऊंगा या फिर किसी और लड़की को ले जाऊंगा। Alright, Bobbies, I'm gonna call her now and see what she's up to. Hello, where are you?
Office room.
I'm near her office. Can you come out?
Oh, want a fact?
Yeah, can you meet me? I'm going to hide this bouquet of flowers somewhere here, and when she comes, I'll surprise her. There she is. Hello, sir. How are you? Didn't expect this, no?
No, sure.
I have one more surprise for you. Come here.
What?
Go see, there's something kept there.
Oh my god, you got me flowers.
Go see, there's something kept there. Go, go, go.
Oh, Lily, oh my god.
So, Bobbies, we're at Starbucks now, and I've gotten an iced Americano. Now, chef, you must be wondering why I'm here, right?
Yeah, why?
Nothing, I just came to see you.
Liar, tell.
I want to play a game with you. You've seen those TikTok couple challenges, right? Where they do rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins gets to decide what they want to eat or what they want to do.
Yeah, I've seen.
You've seen, no?
Yeah.
Let's play that today, okay? And if I win, I get to do things my way, and if you win, whatever you want, we'll do.
Fine. Before that, I want to do a little shopping. I want to check out sunglasses.
Guys, before starting the game, she wants to check out some sunglasses. So we are at Sunglasses Hut. And this is casual shopping, or you actually want to buy something?
No, I actually want to buy something.
You already came before, huh?
Yeah, I've shortlisted a few.
This one, huh?
Yeah.
You like this?
Yeah, I do.
It actually looks good. Wow, wow, wow. Big girly. Making her own payments, her own purchases.
Yeah, what to do when you refuse to pay?
Nice. Are you happy with the purchase?
Yes, I would be happier if you bought it for me, since I'm a gold digger. But strong, independent women.
What happened?
Very weird that is. Let it be this way.
Fine, we'll start the game.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors. If you win, you get to decide what you want to do. If I win, I get to decide what we want to do.
Okay.
It should be reasonable.
Okay, fine.
Okay? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, fine.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh. Ooh. I won. First time only.
What do you want to do?
Anything I can choose.
You can choose anything.
Oh, I'm
but
still-
be reasonable.
Let me think for 1 second. Anything, right?
Anything.
Anything in this world.
Fine, bro, fast. What do you
So
want?
I want to go on this artsy sort of a date. It's close by only.
Artsy date. Huh?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Like you get to paint stuff, or you get to make something like that.
Where do you do this? You're in school or what? Kindergarten you're in?
I could be, but yeah, like it's like a cafe sort of a setup where you get to eat also, but they have this painting and all of that small things that we can do.
To get what I want, I have to let you also win. Chalo, let's go.
What do you want?
You'll find out. She's taking me to an Instagram cafe, guys. These places are usually never nice. Bobbies, इनका mission statement है where food meets art. Oh fuck, you have to pay for painting. Oh.
Yeah.
Huh?
What did you think? Free में paint?
I thought you buy food and you can just paint. So these are the 2 clay pots that Shefali has picked. She says that we are each going to paint one, and whoever does it better wins.
Yes.
You know what? I'll propose a better deal. You paint something that I can take home, and I'll paint something that you can take home. We have to exchange our items. It's not like you get to take yours.
As sad as that sounds, because I know his is gonna suck and mine is gonna be so
Boss, hello.
pretty.
I was very artistic in school, okay?
Fine. Deal.
Deal, huh?
Okay, I'm looking at the menu. They have pretty much everything that you could ask for. But I'm feeling like a chicken steak, boss.
The first round of food is here, and our second item is also here. Brother, you can just place it here. Chef, I think it's a lot of food. Or probably it's just the sauce which is making us feel that way.
Yeah, but it is 4 chicken breasts. And this garlic bread is so good, I want you to try it. Just eat it.
That sauce. Bro, that sauce is mental. What was this?
Pesto.
They call it Habana or something.
Yeah, but it's pesto.
Let's see if the chicken is done well. Oh, chicken is perfect. You wanna try the pizza? Bobbies, look at the pizza.
Yeah, we'll try pizza.
This is the chicken tikka pizza. Ooh, it's like Domino's, bro.
Terrible.
Really?
It's the driest pizza I've ever eaten.
Bro, the more you eat this green thing, don't you think it tastes somewhat like chicken chops?
Let's try this grilled chicken breast. Bro, this is clearly fried. I can see batter around it.
We came here to paint, but we can't stop eating.
Paid puja ho gayi. It's time to get artsy now. So you get to choose 6 colors out of this. 3 for me, 3 for her. What are your colors?
I've already chosen 3,
What are they?
and I'm going to choose another 3 for the 2 of us. Like,
Balls. No. I get to decide mine, okay? This is a competition.
fine. I pick one color, you pick one color, I pick one color,
Just
you
pick your 3 colors.
No, I pick one color, you pick one
Fine,
color.
start. What's your first
Pink.
color? Pink?
Yeah.
Mine is black.
You really want black.
Yep, write black for
I'll
me.
only write it if you really, really want it.
Yes.
See, dark blue.
I want black, just give me black. I want to be blacked hard, just give it to me, daddy. I want orange.
Bro, no, bro. Some fucking very ugly colors.
You do what you want to do, I will do what I want.
no,
to do.
no.
Just
Just
give
a
me
nice
orange, no, please.
Bro,
I want orange.
If I put orange now, then we're out of our colors.
Just put orange for me. My 3 colors are black, orange, and dark green.
What are these colors? Black, orange.
Why are you
Dark
judging
green.
my choices? Guys, you get to decide 3 colors for yourself. Let me choose what I want.
Guys, we changed 2 mugs because Shefali is like, if they're gonna gloss it up and give it to me, then might as well take something that I can use at home.
Yeah, it's usable.
It is. So guys, you can paint it as per you like it, and then they'll make it glossy and get it back to you. This is just a reference for us.
The colors are here. Let's paint. Whoa, I'm painting after so many years.
Shall I give you a tip?
I don't need any tips from people who are not professionals in this industry.
Just look at the way I've painted.
Sure. Look at mine balls. You don't get the idea. This is art. Alright? Even the biggest worldwide artists don't go for perfection, they go for expression. You get what I'm saying, guys? It's not about perfection, it's about expression. It's about showing yourself through. You don't give a fuck about what I'm talking, no?
I'm focused. I know you lack focus. That's why he didn't finish engineering.
Hey, I finished, huh? I don't have any backlogs. Did you finish? But you didn't come to collect your degree only. Guys, she was in the UK when we got our degree. So sad. She didn't even get to experience her degree day. What is it called? Degree day?
Graduation.
Graduation.
He would know if he graduated.
Bro, this is taking forever, bro.
Yeah, that's why you use a bigger brush.
Oh my god.
I asked him if he wants a tip. Man said, don't tell me what to do.
You know what? Let me put on my sunglasses because it helps me see better that.
It helps you unsee all the mistakes that you're making. Do you think I can put another coat?
Shefali's name should change from Shefali to Painter Shefali. Like Raju Painter, you know? Your dad will probably know somebody called Raju Painter. Every dad knows a Raju Painter and Bablu Electrician. Guys, am I right?
My mug versus her mug. Let us know in the comments whose is better.
Now let's move on to the next challenge.
Yeah.
Chalo. Rock,
Paper,
paper, scissors,
scissors,
shoot. Fuck, you gotta be kidding me, bro.
I told you I'm going to win everything.
One thing I wanted to do today, but you are continuously winning. What do you want? Tell.
I don't know.
You don't know.
No.
Think and tell.
Fine, I'll give you the choice. What do you want to do?
It's your choice. Don't ask me.
I want to eat something sweet.
Dessert?
Yeah.
You want to head out from here?
Yes.
Chalo.
I started this video thinking that I'll be the one having all the fun, but clearly it's going her way so far. Alright, hopefully I'll win the next round. Brother, that's a massive cake. This is supposed to be good, huh?
Yeah. Look at it. Does it not look good?
It does look good.
Nah, I'm not a fan. Let's go. Huh? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot, okay? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Fuck yes. I want to go karting.
I don't want to go go-karting.
You have to come.
Where will we go karting?
Sarjapura. Bobbies, it's raining. What the actual fuck? What is my kismat? Huh? Can you race in a wet track?
No.
Bobbies, it is pouring out here, man.
So cancel, huh?
No. Can we wait for a while?
No, we'll go home now.
No. You know what? Wait. Is there anything like an indoor go-karting? होता है क्या? Is there indoor go-karting in Bangalore? Check. Open your phone.
No, don't.
Check. No. What if there's indoor go-karting?
I'll just Google indoor go-karting.
Indoor go-karting?
Dude.
Bobbies, there is indoor go-karting not too far from where we are. It's called Loco Bear. It's in HSR. About 20 minutes from here. Let's go.
I'll go, okay?
Let's go. Hey, wait. Now you have to come. Let's go. Bro, can you believe it? Something like this. Not that far off from the city. Hey, and look, Dogesh bhai. Will you go pet?
No.
Brother, 3,000 rupees. Huh? For 8 minutes of go-karting.
Oh, I chose, no?
3,000, bro.
Mine was so cheap, bro.
It was not cheap, huh?
It was 1,800.
1,800 for the food and 1,200 for the pottery.
Oh, it wasn't pottery inclusive.
Yeah.
Now I know why they call me a gold digger. I don't even know price.
Sign up होने के बाद आपको ऐसे एक बैंड मिलता है and you are now ready to enter the arcade.
Bro, this feels like a different world.
Yeah, it feels like I'm in some other country only.
Yeah,
Bro, look at this. Heavy candy also they have here. Guys, I feel like I'm in a Squid Game movie right now. And finally, go-karting chef. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm scared now.
So you enter through this glass door and you have to sit here in these fancy chairs. Bro, that's so cool.
Don't do that. I don't want to do this.
You look like an alien.
I don't want to do this. Bro, you're forcing me to do this, huh? I didn't do any life-threatening stuff for you.
An indoor go-karting setup in Bangalore. Are we living in the future?
I don't know. I'm not able to breathe.
You're not able to breathe.
That is the future in Delhi, yes.
I have paid too much money. Don't bail out, okay? Finish your 8 minutes.
I can't breathe.
All the best. Come on, go. Go, chef, go. Let's go. How was your experience?
Oh, are you happy? You have nearly caused me death, bro.
But was it thrilling?
Oh my god, I don't think I have accelerator only, bro.
Guys, she didn't accelerate even once, okay? Bro, they gave us timings also.
Per lap.
Bro, chef, they have cricket. Come no, we'll play cricket.
Bro,
Please, come no.
No, there was no game for this.
No, okay, please. Okay, fine, we'll do rock, paper, scissors. If you win, you choose whatever you want to do. If I win, we choose cricket, okay? Please, come here. Please, come.
Not man.
Okay, come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I won.
Can you please play cricket? Please.
Why I'm gonna suffocate it? You can play alone, nah? It shoots the ball.
You'll watch me.
You want me to come?
Yeah, watch me.
At least 4 now.
4, that is.
Ball.
I hit it behind square. Bro,
What?
behind square, that should be 4. I'm gonna hit this. ये आ गया range में. Guys, my strategy worked. Rock, paper, scissors plan. Finally, it took me 2 tries, but I finally got what I wanted.
I hate you.
Boss man, where to now?
I don't know. We'll play rock, paper, scissors.
You don't even know, so what's the point of playing?
We'll play. Come.
But you don't know, so what's the point of playing?
Play? No, what drama are you doing?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hit. What do you want? I told you if you don't know what's the point of playing.
I want something chatpata.
For dinner, chatpata.
Yeah.
Charts.
No need, no?
I'm asking you, what no need? Don't look for my validation. Whatever you want, we'll do.
Fine, you won't decide. I can't decide.
So this round you're letting me decide?
Yeah.
Come.
Oh, you're opening the door for me?
Yes.
Because I won the entire day. You made up your mind, na? I just want to win once.
I just made up my mind. Give me one victory, God, Because I've already won everything in life. No. So this is the North Indian restaurant that I have chosen. Northwest Kebab and Curry House.
No,
Is
I
it
don't
even
like
North
it.
Indian? You don't like it, huh? It's
No,
on the
let's
top
go
floor.
somewhere else.
Come, we'll see up.
It's really not nice.
Come, boss.
I thought you would get me to a fancy place.
Brother, you know how much money I've spent today?
That is because you wanted to go kart.
Don't judge a book by its cover. Push. Oh, by the way, guys, I've been to this place in 2021 and nothing has changed in terms of decor, and even the staff is the same.
Wow.
Yeah, I came with Saigal once, but I don't remember what the food was like. Bobbies, here's what they call a chicken behari. It's charcoal grilled.
Anyone from Bihar?
It's not from Bihar, it's just called behari. No complaints, I'm getting my protein in. Even if it doesn't taste the best, I still think it's a fairly healthy preparation. Take bro, here's your main course. You wanted one roti curry. So this is Rogan-e-Murk, 3 pieces of chicken leg with 2 tandoori roti. Honestly, this looks amazing.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna taste much better than the starter.
We.
I love the curry. Let's try the chicken leg piece. Chicken leg piece. The chicken tastes off.
It is very off.
Yeah, the chicken tastes very off. Foul taste in my mouth.
Yeah, you can't eat that chicken.
Yeah, I don't want to risk it. Second round, this is a kadhai chicken.
It's good.
Decent.
But I like the previous curry taste.
Previous curry was phenomenal, but that meat would have made me sick. Okay, so what started as a decent meal got a little fucked midway through because the chicken wasn't fresh, or if it was fresh, it was cooked earlier and then reheated because it just tasted off.
Yeah.
But then again, I have to mention that the curries, the preparations were insanely good. But then again, I'm a meat lover first and then a curry lover, right? But I'm always a Shefali lover. It's getting late, but Shefali still doesn't want to go home. So I've gotten her to McDonald's and we're gonna be getting softies. I haven't even calculated calories today. Usually at least I calculate to see how much I'm eating. Today though I'm unaware. Wow, rider provider Shefali paying for my softie.
They'll think I'm one chiller girl.
Securely approved, you have money. Bobbies, that's it for this vlog. See you guys in the
Next one. Bye bye.
byes.